the speed of life. It can seem like a series of things to do, of places to be, but life is truly what happens between you and your destination. And for those who see the possibilities between point A and point B, there's a Lexus. It's the shortest distance between road and driver. Intrigue behind every curve. Excitement around every corner. The luxury you know just became more engaging. The new Lexus ES. Your road awaits.
Good evening to our dear Lexus guests. My name is Atsuhiro Okamoto. Welcome to Lexus Philippines ES launch. I hope that you and your loved ones are healthy and safe. Tonight, Lexus is thrilled to share with you this moment as we officially introduce the new Lexus ES. This luxury executive sedan has grown to be the representation of refined comfort paired with an exhilarating performance. The ES continues to deliver all those, along with even more refined developments that are pursued to exceed our guests' expectations when it comes to a beautifully crafted luxury sedan. The signature spindle grille has been further modernized, along with even sharper headlights and a sportier wheel design. Along with these design upgrades, Lexus still took into account the importance of ease and comfort, just like that satisfying feeling of putting on a well-tailored suit or slipping on your favorite bespoke watch. The ES is called an executive sedan for a reason. It fits perfectly into the lifestyle of executives that have high regard to performance with an elevated refinement and safety. This year, the new ES does not only get a significant upgrade, but also now has a hybrid variant for guests who would identify more towards electrification. Now, with two versions of the ES available in our market, luxury owners can experience power, performance, and comfort with Lexus' newest luxury sedan. Now, to give you a thorough walkthrough of the inspiration and details of the ES, please welcome its Chief Engineer, Mr. Tetsuya Aoki.
そして今回の新しい ES もまた皆様の期待に応え、それを超えていくべく開発を進めてまいりました。まずデザインです。外形はよりシャープな印象が際立つヘッドランプ、よりモダンさを狙ったグリルメッシュ、スポーティーなホイールデザインへと一新。また室内はタッチディスプレイを採用し、操作性を大幅に向上しています。次に走りについてご説明しましょう。この 1445mm のルーフ高さに収まるドアを開けて乗り込みます。ジャケットを着たままでも気楽に快適な運転姿勢を提供できるのも ES の工夫です。今発信しましたこのスーッと走り出す感覚、ドライバーの意のままのハンドル操作に対する車の動き、このスッと止まることにもブレーキの抜く時の操作性をこだわって開発をしました。こういったところでも ES の良さを分かっていただけると思います。また加速しながらのレーンチェンジといったシーンでもストレスなく加速することと、レーンチェンジするときにハンドルを切って戻すといったドライバーの操作に自然な 動きをして安心なドライブをすることができると思います。このような荒れた路面を走行する時にでも路面の入力を速やかに吸収し、圧倒的な静粛性を持った室内空間で乗り心地の良さを感じていただけると思います。またこういったうねった路面でもバネ上の動きの良さ、収まりの良さを体感できると思います。このように静粛で乗り心地の良い室内空間の提供とドライバーの意図にストレスなく自然な感覚で操作できることを意識したレクサス車作りの味付けを心がけました。いかがでしたか？仕立ての良いシャツに袖を通した時など日常の中でときめきを感じることがありますよね。この新型 ES のさらに磨きのかった上質さを通じてそんなときめきを感じてほしいと思います。より ES らしく上質さとエレガントさをモダンに進化させた新型 ES をぜひ見て乗って感じてください。
Welcome to the new Lexus ES product walkaround. My name is Carlo Blaza, and I will be giving you a closer look at the new Lexus ES. The first generation ES was introduced in 1989 and has solidified itself as an elegant luxury sedan. Back in 2018, the 7th generation Lexus ES redefined its status among luxury sedans with a striking exterior design and transformative performance made possible by the global K platform. This year, the new ES builds upon the recipe for success with numerous multimedia, safety, style, and color updates. In line with our vision of electrification, we're adding a hybrid version as an additional variant in the ES lineup this year. The new ES definitely continues to offer our Lexus guests more choices to fit their diverse interests and lifestyles. Its exterior shows that we have retained the same dynamic styling, emphasizing a low and wide stance with a fast roofline, and now with an even more aggressive spindle grille, a Lexus signature. This emphasizes the vehicle's elegant design with a series of concentric L-shapes that radiate from the front Lexus emblem, all in a new graphite finish. It's clearly a refreshed look while still preserving the provocative elegance of the ES. Tying the front end design together are the upgraded headlamps, featuring efficient, ultra-small 3-beam LED units which deliver exceptional light distribution with dynamic auto-leveling. These multi-weather lights help maintain the driver's field of view in any driving condition. We've also updated the turn signal lamps that feature seamless illumination when lit. Our new ES comes in two beautiful sets of wheels. The ES Hybrid features 17-inch alloy machined finish wheels with a medium gray metallic coating. Its design has sharp and tight V-shaped overlapping spokes that give a sporty and agile image mounted on 215/55/17 all-season tires. As for the ES350 Premier, it sports an 18-inch wheel finished in a hyperchrome metallic coating. The wheel design has spokes that are bundled into 5 dynamic multi-spindle patterns for a luxurious and dynamic image. These wheels are mounted on 235/45/18 all-season tires. They are also noise-reducing with a hollow outer rim, taking out unnecessary discomfort while driving. Lexus's technology not only promotes an uncompromising level of quietness during your drive, but also showcases a lightweight, durable wheel for the new Lexus ES. Now, with the Lexus driving signature, the new ES carries a McPherson strut-type front and a trailing arm double wishbone rear suspension. These components were further tuned to deliver top-level handling and stability while maintaining a high ride quality that the ES is known for. Its brake system has also been updated on both gas and hybrid models. The brake pedal shape has been enlarged to improve foot stability and confidence when the pedal is depressed. On ES gas models, the vacuum brake system master cylinder and booster have been optimized to provide a more linear brake pedal feeling and response. The regenerative and hydraulic brake control characteristics of the electronically controlled system, or ECB, on the ES hybrid models have been optimized to improve pedal feeling when the brake pedal is released. Now, on to the exciting part, engine and transmission. The ES Hybrid is powered by a newly developed 4th generation hybrid system utilizing nickel metal hydride battery, combined with a highly efficient 2.5-liter VVTi inline 4-cylinder. Altogether, it has a combined output of 215 horsepower mated to a Lexus ECVT intelligent transmission. The combination of the electric motor plus the gasoline engine gives the vehicle excellent power and performance while still retaining a high level of fuel economy. On the other hand, the Premier is powered by normally aspirated V6 with dual VVTi and direct injection, producing 297 horsepower with 356 Newton meters of torque, which is mated to a lightweight, compact, and intelligent 8-speed direct shift automatic transmission, which precisely controls the engine and torque to match any driving situation. This whole package creates a vehicle that is powerful and engaging to drive. To inspire driving confidence, the new ES now comes with our Lexus Safety Sense 2, a suite of the latest active safety features, such as the dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert, automatic high beam and pre-collision system, which are available for the Premier variant. Our new ES comes in 10 exterior shades, including 2 newly developed chromatic colors. Inspired by the rare metal, the Sonic Iridium radiates contrasting shadows to accentuate the shape of the vehicle as seen in the Premier variant. The Sonic Chrome, on the other hand, exhibits a dark gray tone with a high gloss finish available for the hybrid variant. Aside from these two colors, the Premier variant is available in deep blue, red crystal shine, sunlight green metallic, black, and ice ecru metallic. The hybrid, on the other hand, is also available in Sonic Quartz, graphite black glass flake, and Sonic Titanium. Inside the ES, one could instantly feel the driver-centric cockpit with a spacious and comfortable area for the front passengers. The driver's focus is kept on the road ahead by placing the center display screen, instrument panel, and available heads-up display in a tight cluster in the driver's field of view. The front passenger, on the other hand, gets a more open and spacious environment that promotes relaxation. Our ES350 Premier comes in a semi-aniline leather with the following interior color choices: hazel, mauve, black, or rich cream, combined with either wood black, bamboo, or wood brown. While our hybrid model comes in either black or hazel synthetic leather. With the multitude of interior color choices for the ES, I'm sure you can personalize your ES even further to suit your needs and personality. Luxury is not complete without a bespoke audio and navigation system. Our ES350 Premier comes with a 17-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound, while our hybrid comes with a 10-speaker Lexus premium sound system, both with an Electro Multivision touchscreen display. Both vehicles are equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, smartphone linking, and is Miracast ready to connect your mobile devices. If you need to charge your devices, our ES350 Premier also has wireless charging capabilities. All in all, the ES brings you from sophisticated city living to the freedom of the open road, from the serenity of the beautifully crafted interior to the surge of excitement with effortless power, from finding your own way with a closer touchscreen display to sharing the experience in refined comfort. Not to mention the new Lexus driving signature that rewrites Lexus guest connection with the road. I hope you enjoyed the presentation on the ES, and we hope to see you in our showroom very soon.
Good evening to our Lexus guests and customers. My name is Raymond Rodriguez. On behalf of Lexus Manila, we would like to invite you to our home at the Bonifacio Global City, wherein you can fully experience this beautiful crafted luxury sedan. Should you be interested in this new ES, please get in touch with us so we may book you a test drive in advance. Of course, we still strictly adhere to the highest safety protocols, so you can definitely be assured and have peace of mind when you visit us. If you would still like to know more about Lexus, you may also visit our website at lexus.com.ph or look through our social media pages on Facebook and on Instagram. Again, thank you very much for your time, and we hope you continue to experience amazing.